Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hendrick agreed with Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton, a Republican, that the guidance used in July described the request meant to consider the welfare of unborn children when determining how to stabilize a pregnant woman. Hendrick, an opponent of former President Donald Trump, said the federal statute was silent as to what a doctor should do when there is a conflict between the health of the mother and the unborn child, and that the Texas law fills that void. Hendrick issued an injunction bearing enforcement of, of the HHS guidance in Texas and again to group of anti-abortion doctors who also challenged it, saying the Idaho has showed a risk the Biden administration might try to enforce it. Hendrick declined to issue a nationwide injunction as Paxton wanted. Appeals are expected in both cases and will be heard by separate appeals courts. One visit in San Francisco with a reputation leaning liberal and another in New Orleans, known for conservative ruling. Greer Donnelly, an assistant professor at the University of Pittsburgh Law School and expert on abortion law, said that if the conflicting rulings were upheld, the U.S. Supreme Court may feel pressure to intervene without a federal right abortions. This is the type of legal cause that most people were predicting would be happiness, she said. The U.S. economy will need take monetary policy for some time before inflation is under control, a fact that means slowly growth, a weaker job market, and some pain for household and business. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said in Friday in remarks, warning there is no quick cure for fast-rising prices. Reducing inflation is likely to require a sustained period of below-trend growth. Moreover, there will very likely be some times of global market conditions where higher interest rates, slower growth, and softer labor market conditions will bring down inflation. They will also bring some pain to households and business, Powell said in prepared remarks for a speech to the Jackson Hole Central Banking. The conference in booming markets reaction. To comment, Sandra Holdworth, head of Rates UK at Aegon Asset Management. Chairman Powell spoke today at Jackson Hole where he maintained and reiterated the hawkish. Chairman Powell spoke today at Jackson Hole where he maintained and reiterated the hawkish stance the U.S. Federal Reserve is taking toward the current high levels of inflation. In a short and concise speech, he made several points. Firstly, that the economy was still showing strong underlying momentum and that the labor market in particular remains out of balance. Second, that interest rates will continue to rise to a restrictive stance and importantly stay there for some time, partly because the Fed views it will make time for inflationary surface to this line, but also because in previous inflationary episodes it was a mistake to relate politics too early. Okay, I think that's from me. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry for all my mistakes and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.